Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com.
In this tutorial, we are going to learn jQuery find by ID or class contains a certain text. Let's get started. We are inside a index.html. I'm going to write HTML5, okay, h1. In this, I just pasted the code. Here I am with the live server. Now I'm going to add some code, okay, and just format the code. You can see it's pretty easy. So here we are. Let's move the script at the bottom. Okay, might be useful. Okay, so we have a div tag which has a ID. Div ID text search by part of ID character. Then we have another div that has a class div ID text search by part of class name. Okay, and now we are going to search by ID. A class contains a certain text. Okay, let's add a script. And this one I am going to write down the tag, okay, and let's see the actual one. Then we will see how we can find with the part of ID, and let's figure out the text, okay, something like this. And let's cut, okay, so let's just cut this and console.log and just paste it inside of it. So we should be good now. Let's find out in console. Here you can see find element by ID contain text, which is text of our first div. Okay, so it's working, but it is working with the complete ID. Now we need to look how, let's suppose we just want to find it by search part by part. Okay, just this character. What we can do is we can type static. Okay, then we will type ID. Static equals for the ID. We need to apply brackets. That's it. Okay, and if we do this, you can see it's still finding the ID. So the syntax is pretty simple. Just you need to add a static, then open the brackets to provide the attribute. And in this attribute, we are type ID because we are searching by ID. So we just type this. Okay, to better understand this, let me create a style, and in this style I'm going to write, let's say change BG. Okay, and this one I'm going to write background color and cron flower, something like this. And let's take another one, and we are going to search by 2, and let's change its color. Okay, and I'm going to use another color, let's say chocolate. Okay, so we have 2 colors, and now I am going to disable this code. I'm just taking this part from it. Okay, so here we go, and I am saying, so find by ID and add class where this ID will be fine. Okay, and we are going to add class change BG. Okay, so you will see this will change the first div background. Okay, so here you go. It's just changed the first div background. So if just find by ID and add the class. Now let's see if we want to search by class. Okay, so what we need to do, we just need to replace ID with class over here. And for this class we have let's suppose search by part. We already do that, part of class. Okay, let's take this one, paste it over here, and I'm saying when this class will find, just add it to this BG2. Okay, so here you can see how easy it is. But let's suppose if you have multiple one. Okay, let's take this with another one, so you can see it's also applying to this one because it's capturing the all and just applying to it. You can see how easy it is to find all elements on a page whose ID or class contains a certain text. Okay, it means we only find ID or class, not with the complete name.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.